In this video, I would like to show you how to fix the business end of your hose where the sprayer would go on, and it's going to be done in 3 easy steps. We're going to use this male hose end with a stainless steel clamp. Get the brass. For the love, get the brass. Don't do what I did and get plastic. You'll only disappoint yourself. This is like $1 more than the plastic, and I'm all for buying cheap stuff, but this is worth it, right? This will outlast your hose. And then you can just take this off, and when your hose is in the trash and gone, you still have this piece to put on a future hose as well. This has got some damage on it, so we're going to cut that off. We're going to go way back past the crack right here. So we've got a crack all the way down. Let's go down a little bit further. And then just use that fresh X-Acto knife blade. Cut the hose, not you. It's always the goal. Boom. Now we got a fresh tip. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to lube it up. Try and put a little soap right there. Just a dab will do ya. We'll just rub a dub. Here's a pro dad tip. Put your clamp on the hose before you add your brass fitting. Now you can see it's all the way flush, and we've got our clamp on, so we're ready to go. To really crank down this bolt, I use a small crescent wrench, so you can adjust to it and then just really ratchet it down so you have a watertight seal. You also have a standard slot for like a screwdriver, so you can quickly tighten it down, but you gotta have a wrench to really torque that down, otherwise you'll just have a slow leak. There you have it, everyone. In just 3 easy steps, we were able to fix the business end of our hose and get it back to its full working potential. If you found this video helpful and you're also struggling with your hose having a leak somewhere in the middle of your hose line, I also have a fix for that, and it'll be in this next video. And that way you can get that hose to its full working potential. Thanks for watching.